So now it's time to choose your website template. This is going to give your website the basic structure and design, and it's going to make it a lot easier for us to create a professional website. Now you do want to spend some time browsing these templates and find the one that you like, because once you've chosen your template, you can't change it afterwards. The easiest way to find the right template for you is to just browse these categories right here, or you can just come to the search bar up here and type in the type of website you're trying to build. So in my case, this would be Italian restaurant. So I'll type that in right here and hit enter. And now it will show me all of the website templates that would work for a Italian restaurant. So here we have Italian restaurant, pizza restaurant, Mexican restaurant, and then all kinds of different restaurant website templates that I can choose from. So I pretty much like the first one right here. So to check it out, I can just click on view, and then I can just browse this website template and see if it kind of looks like a website that I would want to use for my own website. You can change all the colors, you can replace the images, the text, and you can also change the fonts. But I do recommend to choose one where you already like the structure, because this will save us a lot of time when actually customizing the website. We can also click on the mobile phone icon here at the top to see what this website looks like on a mobile phone. And once we decide that this is the website template we want to use, we can just click on edit this site at the top right.